It's kind of have a pirate theme. I mean, if you want, like a cosmic pirate ship. From the Milky River where my fathers come from, I'll be dancing on the whiskers of the morning sun. In the dark of night where those mothers made me, I'll be shaking up the branches of my family tree. All through the sea, rays of light, they be shining down on me. Ain't no place for us to run and hide from that infrared light, that ultraviolet light, that iridescent light shining down on me, from the trapped fire light, from the dark of night, and I'm the moonlight shining down on me. Light, they be shining down on me. Oh, through the sky, ain't no place for us to run and hide. Have you ever been saved by the unseen hand? Have you ever wondered what's under the sand? Very deep down over in the promised land. Very deep down over in the promised land. Like Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, put me in the fire, but I'll never grow old, 'cause I found my treasures in the promised land. Yes, I found my treasures in the promised land. Oh, through the sea, rays of light, they be shining down on me. They be shining, they be shining. In the sand gonna show me the way, and my compass points straight to the lion's bay. 'Cause I found my treasures in the promised land. Yes, I found my treasures in the promised land. And a shedding sister sent me on this quest to lay the fog of man down to his rest. 'Cause I found my treasures in the promised land. Yes, I found my treasures in the promised land.